थिंग, बॉडी के लिए सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट टिश्यू जो होता है, स्पेशली एज वी स्टार्ट टू गेट ओल्डर, यू नो, बियॉन्ड 25 और 30 ईयर्स ऑफ एज, सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट जो आपका टिश्यू है दैट इज मसल्स. And the only way to build or preserve your muscles is to put them under stress through weight training. Okay, so be it a woman or a man, I think strength training should be a non-negotiable, whether you are in your teenage or you are in your 20s or 30s or 40s or even in your 60s and 70s. Strength training is a non-negotiable, because you have to understand cardio is great for your cardiac health, but cardio will not help you maintain a healthy body composition. Sometimes it can do the quite opposite. It can make you lose a lot of muscle if you're also in a calorie deficit. Therefore, strength training is important to maintain muscle. Muscle is something which will burn your calories even when you are resting, even when you are sleeping. It is muscle which helps you burn calories. Okay, so if you want to maintain a good body composition, reduce fat, increase your tone, जिसे हम टोन बोलते हैं, वो टोनिंग सिर्फ मसल के थ्रू आती है. You will never get bulky through strength training because you do not have a key hormone which is needed for bulking, which is called testosterone. वो सिर्फ लड़कों में होता है. तो लड़कियां चाहे भी, आप किसी फीमेल बॉडी बिल्डर से कभी पूछे कि how easy was it to put on muscle, she will tell you it takes sometimes a decade. It is that tough. So nobody bulks just by weight training. Otherwise all the boys would be bulky, but come on, we know how most boys look. So it is not going to bulk you up. It is an essential even for your bone health, because over the period of time your bones will stay healthy only when you do weight bearing exercises. Do not skimp on strength training. Make it a regular part of your exercise routine.